Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm just going to do a quick review of the Bento glass leak-proof salad container. Comes in like 5 different colors. We got the white. My wife loves this thing. We actually have 3 of these and she used them. She's a nurse and she takes these with her so that she can eat healthy while she's working. So real quick here, if you guys aren't familiar with the Bento, it is perfect for salads on the go. You can mix it right in the bowl because there's a little tray on top, and you can have a little a container for your salad dressing, a little 3-ounce container, which you can then take all of your toppings here and place it inside of your salad. But you can also use it for hot meals, which is really cool. We've actually placed chicken wings and some stuff in here before going over to a friend's house. So real quickly, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So when you open it up, they got a really nice top here, and then this is basically the Bento and allows you to seal it with these 2 tabs. Okay, so it keeps everything fresh. And on top here, it does come with a fork, a plastic fork, and then here's that 3-ounce container I was talking about for salad dressings and things like that. And it conveniently fits right snug here, right on the top. Then you have your 4 separate compartments that you can actually place, whatever you want in here. You can place chicken, other vegetables and things like that, so nothing gets soggy with your salad down below. And then you remove it and it is a nice glass for your salad. Okay, so really nice too is that it's all dishwasher safe, so you can actually, just throw all of this stuff when you get home from work or whatever you were using it for, and you can just take and lay everything in the dishwasher and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. This thing is very useful. Like I said, we've got 3 of them because we use them all the time, and that's it. So hopefully you guys got value out of this review. If you're looking for some type of to-go salad container or anything like that, highly recommend getting the Bento. All right, see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching another SmartTips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.